What's up, everybody? We're here at Dodge City, Kansas, here for 2 days. Got back from Florida, landed in Wichita, drove over, looking for a good 2 nights. Weather's beautiful, always windy here. It's part of Dodge City. So I'll show you guys the track and show you what this place is all about. Like I said, this place is top notch. They got a beautiful fence, beautiful grandstands. The place is banked all the way around. Used to be asphalt at one time, made it into a dirt track. Pretty banked. Some pit grandstands. It's pretty much in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty much cattle farms out here, flat land, and then Dodge City Raceway Park here. So hopefully have a couple good nights here.
Number 41, it's David Gravel. David, career season for you with the World of Outlaws NOS Energy Drink Sprint Car Series. You jump into the JJR ride and have a fantastic 2019 and set to finish the season strong. You come back to Dodge City Raceway Park and a chance to start in the top 6 starting spots. How important is that on a racetrack like this?
Super important, you know. Getting to the dash is your goal every night. If you're in the dash, you have a chance to win. If you're not in the dash, you probably don't. So our goal every night is to get in that dash. And the track's really fast right now. I think 3 and 4 will be able to race here later on, but 1 and 2 is pretty quick. So hopefully get a good draw and stay up front all night.
The 1, 4, and 6 are gone. David Gravel mixes the numbers up, continues to mix them up, and comes up with the outside front row.
Well, Tyler, how do you feel how tonight went?
Pretty good. Put me on the spot here, aren't you?
Yeah, putting you on the spot, buddy.
Pretty good. Wasn't a whole lot of passing, you know. Just kind of out there. We were started second, finished second. Donnie started first, finished first. You know, get those nights. Hopefully tonight's or tomorrow night's a little better. We get the win. So
yeah, I feel a little mad at myself for not winning the dash. I let him by. I should have blocked him.
I mean,
should have won it, and then I thought I had a better shot to win the race. But yeah, I mean, wanted to win tonight, but I think get the car a little bit better. I think we can get her done. So, and if I don't make that mistake, so. Patrick, what do you feel about tonight, buddy?
Tonight, it's all right. You know, can't complain. We run second on it. You know, pack up, come back tomorrow. Hope to be 1 spot better.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, thank you for your effort tonight, Phil.
No, David,
Phil,
thank you.
Phil, how do you feel about tonight? What do you think?
Second, they were cool, but they started off really strong. track slicked off. We tried to make the right adjustments to our car, and I'm like, we probably went just a little bit too far.
It's all right. You did.
That's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you got second, but we're not going to hang our heads. We're just come back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm happy with it. You didn't give me a shit box night. We were quick time, pretty solid all night. So you did your job. We want to win the big night too, so we can pop that champagne we got tonight. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Quick time, second in the heat, second in the dash, second in the A. Solid night. Move on to tomorrow. What's up, everybody? We're here for night 2 at Dodge City. We had a really strong night last night, so we're hoping for another strong night. I think it's going to be a little drier here tonight with 2 days in a row, and it's windier than hell. So it's going to be a warm one and windy one, so hopefully it goes really good, and have a good night. Stay tuned for more. Man, guys, I'm getting sick of this quick time and not winning, but quick time again tonight. Won our heat. I really blew it in the dash draw, drew a 5, ran 5th in the A, or ran 5th in the dash. I was running 5th pretty much the whole time in the A, and got to 4th. Sheldon about spun out and got by him, and was side by side with Donnie. He just knows me probably by a couple thousand, so almost a podium finish. We tightened up a little bit too much, detuned, thought the track was going to maybe get a little bit more racy, and just kind of got around the top wide open. So we'll take our 4th, 2 top 5s this weekend, move on to Jacksonville next week. We live and learn, but you know, when we're not happy with the car and we run in the top 5, that's a damn good night. So thank you to my guys, thank you all my sponsors, and guys, continue to like, subscribe, and keep watching all my videos. Appreciate it. See you soon. We are live here at Love's Truck Stop. We're at Old Chester. We got some deep fried corn here, and you guys might think that is chicken. It's potatoes. They are very good though, but Jill will not like me. I got a wedding coming up, so that won't work out too good. But what do you think, Ty? What are you getting?
I think I'm just going to go with the number 3 snack.
Number 3 snack. They don't know what the number 3 is, buddy.
A few tenders. Snacks that come with 1 side and a biscuit.
1 side and a biscuit. What are you going with, Carson?
2 side.
Well, Patrick
Well, I was
wants a
going to
meal
do mac
deal.
and cheese,
Yeah.
but he do it double.
I want to be able to, like, you know, have a nice day
Night.
tomorrow. So
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna go with just a snack. So
Just a snack.
What's this here? You know what that is?
I think that's a empanada, maybe.
I'll do the number
Livers
3
and
snack.
gizzards.
3 tenders.
Get
and
some
snack size.
liver and gizzards. I'm going right here.
Well, I was going to do
Couple
mac and cheese.
chicken,
We got enough of that?
some mashed potatoes, and we got a 7-hour ride to the shop, Rocky Mount, and then we race Wednesday at Jacksonville. So this will do it for this video. We will see you guys next week. I will talk to you guys this week. Hopefully do a YouTube live video, but solid weekend. 7 hours. Gonna watch some football tomorrow and hang out. Talk to you guys later.